Welcome to Enphase. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through purchasing an extended warranty step-by-step using the Enphase Encare portal. Enphase microinverters come with a standard 15-year limited warranty in India, and we can extend it up to 20 years or 25 years. Visit encare.enphase.com. Navigate to Services on top right corner and click on Enhanced Warranty Protection. You can log in using the Enlighten username and password. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Extended Warranty Coverage page. This is where you can purchase additional coverage for your Enphase microinverters. Here you'll see a list of all systems linked to your account. Each entry includes the system ID, name, and address. Select your site or search for the specific system ID or site name you wish to upgrade and click on Continue. On the Warranty Information dashboard, you'll see your system details along with inverter information. Here you can select your warranty plan. Two options are available: extend coverage to 20 years or 25 years. The discount you receive depends on the installer's badge level: platinum, gold, or silver. Once you select the plan, the inverter details will update to show activation date, current warranty, and extended warranty coverage. Review this information carefully before proceeding. After reviewing the details, click on Order Review. After clicking on Order Review, you'll see a summary of your warranty extension. This includes the product warranty plan selected, in this case 25 years, the number of inverters covered, and the total price. Discounts, such as the Platinum discount, are also applied here. At the bottom of the page you'll find the payment options. Next, you'll be directed to the Payment Information page. Please make sure before proceeding international transaction must be enabled for your card. Here, enter your cardholder name, email, phone number, card number, expiration date, and security code. Enphase uses secure payment processing, so your card details are never stored. Once all fields are filled, click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Once payment done, you will receive mail confirmation, and the updated warranty details will automatically reflect in your Enphase Enlighten Manager and Enphase Homeowner app. For additional questions or support, visit support.enphase.com or call Enphase customer support toll-free number 1-800-309-3765. Thanks for watching.